Hey everybody, this is just a reminder on what it will look like to do a material study based on anything that you're picking to choose material-wise for your self-portrait cartoon inspired project. So as we did in our sketchbook to test out our drawing pencils, we tested what it looked like when we applied a lot of pressure, when we loosened our grip and did light pressure to see how each pencil worked and how it performed. You need to do that with whatever material you're picking that you're going to be using for your final cartoon self-portrait inspired design and project. So if you're picking paint or if you're picking coloring pencils or using a different material, I would suggest that you get out a blank piece of paper. And when you're working on this, think about the material, and maybe you've already used it before, so you know how they work, but you still need to think about, for this project, we're making a self-portrait. So what is your eye color? What skin tone do you have? How can you achieve those colors? What about your hair color? What about your shirt? Because we'll have our head, neck, and shoulders. We'll definitely see your shirt. So what color would your shirt be, and how would that represent something about your identity? Or the background, you need to think about that. What color are you going to use for the background? What pattern? And then on that piece of paper, with whatever material you choose, make sure that you play with those colors and test out your ideas of getting an organized look of deciding which colors you'll use, and then maybe labeling them so that you know, yes, this is the skin tone that I am using and this is how I got this color. Or I'm deciding that I want my background to be this color and this color, and because they're maybe your favorite colors or they represent something else. So you need to think about those things as you're doing your material study, so that when you get to the final drawing and the final stages of creating that self-portrait, you have that ready to go and a plan established.